Welcome to this technical guide on the Roomba i7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Has your Roomba i7 started making a strange noise? This can often be caused by debris caught in the brushes or a fault within the motor itself. If left unaddressed, this issue may lead to more serious malfunctions or even permanent damage to your device. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to identify and rectify the problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement motor if necessary. First, ensure your Roomba is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip it over, placing it on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the center of the device. Once the screws are out, gently lift the lid. Be cautious as there may be cables attached. Next, locate the motor by following the sound. It's usually found near the wheels and is the component that needs attention. If you see any debris or hair tangled around the motor, use your tweezers to carefully remove it. If the motor appears damaged or worn out, it will need to be replaced. Disconnect the wires carefully, noting where each one connects for reassembly. Remove the faulty motor by unscrewing any additional screws holding it in place. When you have the new motor, attach it in the same position, ensuring the screws are tightened but not overly forceful to avoid damaging the component. Reconnect the wires as per your notes, making sure they are secure. Before closing your Roomba, it's a good idea to test it by turning it on briefly to ensure the noise has stopped. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're satisfied, carefully place the lid back on and reinsert the screws, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Now your Roomba should be good as new. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly clean the brushes and check for any obstructions in the motor area. Performing maintenance every few weeks can save you from more complex repairs in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.